In this video, we're going to learn how to find the prime factorization of a number, and that is the string of prime numbers that multiplies to the product you want. And we're going to do that using tree diagrams. So a factor tree is a way to break down a number into its factors until you can't go any further, until all you have left are primes. So everyone's could start a little bit differently, but whenever you are doing a factor tree for a number, you want to start by finding any two numbers that multiply to that number. So for 100, maybe I would do 50 and 2. Now, whenever you use a prime number, you are going to circle it so that you know that branch of the tree is done. It doesn't go any further. So 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle 2. This is a good time to use that chart in the back of your spiral to keep track of what the prime numbers are if you're not certain. And then, but 50 is not prime, so I can keep going with 50. And, oops, wrong color. And you might see different factors here, but when I look at 50, I see 5 and 10. And then I ask myself, are either of those prime? Yes, 5 is prime. But 10, no, 10 isn't, because I can keep going. So then I'm going to go 10, well, that's 5 and 2. And both of those are prime, so I'll circle them both. So now I have found my prime factorization. So I can write it out. So 2 times 5 times 5 times 2 equals 100. So the prime factorization of 100 is 2 times 5 times 5 times 2. All right, so now I want you to pause and try this for a new number, for 52. So make a factor tree, circle the primes, and then write down the prime factorization. Does your tree diagram look like mine? I found that the prime factorization was 13 times 2 times 2 equals 52. So you may have found that you had the numbers in a different order, but it should be the same numbers, 13, 2, and 2. Go ahead and try a couple more. Pause and find the prime factorization of 72 and 48. For 72, I got the prime factorization of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 equals 72. Yours might look different, but it should have 3 2s and 2 3s for your prime factorization. And then for 48, you should have found the prime factorization was 3 and then 4 2s. So 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives you 48. And once again, your tree diagram might look different, but it should result in the same numbers, just maybe in a different order. All right, and now for your practice problem, I want you to find the prime factorization of 120. Your work should show both a factor tree and the prime factorization.